Give it to me.
Yo! What is up, people? Today we'll be making some fire Afrobeats that can get you all the African bitches your heart desires. So if you're here to learn how to get some bitches, then you're in the right place. But before we start, I want you all to remember that with great power comes great responsibility. So don't use what you're about to learn to be a playboy.
Ah! You slapped me, you monkey!
Marry me.
First, let's make some emo chords that will capture all the pretty girls' hearts. EQ, compressor, more EQ, and a stereo widener to widen that shit out. One of the top instruments that all of the women love these days is the piano. So we have no choice but to grab one if we want some of that good, if you know what I mean.
Why are you running? Why are you running?
For today we'll be using the scalar piano. Compressor, EQ, and a stereo widener. Okay, now that we are done with the womanizing chords, let's work on a melody. Since we're making Afrobeats, we have to use a trumpet because that shit slaps. Compressor, reverb, and some delay. Now let's work on the drums. Before working on the bass, I'd first like to hear how the piano, drums, and trumpet all sound playing together. At the end of the day, we have to make sure that we are not making shit.
Who does number 2 work for? Who does number 2 work for?
That's right, buddy. You show that turd who's boss.
Oh yes baby, that is what I like. Now that we are done with the drums, let's work on some bass. One thing I've realized about Afrobeat bass is that it is mostly simple and catchy. So we have to try our best to restrain ourselves.
I don't want peace. I want problems, always.
compressor, EQ, more EQ, and some saturation.